In this video, we have top 5 protein bars with features and benefits. Protein bars are a fast and convenient way to get more protein, which can increase protein synthesis and muscle mass. Protein bars are an increasingly popular way to increase your daily protein intake. They are mostly made using whey protein, though some use casein protein, or a combination of these two. Due to the increased need for protein when exercising at a higher intensity, studies have estimated that an athlete requires twice as much protein per day as a sedentary person. If you are participating in regular exercise, then your protein intake should increase to match the new requirements. In at number 5 we have Animal Snak Bar. The Animal Snak Bar contains a ton of protein. But it's more than just a standard high-protein bar. The Animal Snak Bar is a complete high-protein, whole food bar that comes fully equipped with a balance of macros from protein, carbs, and fats. If you're looking for a skinny bar that only focuses on protein at the expense of quality carbs and essential fats, you're looking at the wrong bar. Its features contain 26 grams of protein per bar. It comes up with 5 delicious flavors, and it costs $2.3 per serving. In at number 4 we have BSN Protein Crisp. BSN brings the unique crisp protein bars with a serious combination of incredible taste and unique texture without compromising your macros. With a light, Rice crispy texture filled with decadent flavor in each crunch, every day will taste like a cheat day. Eat this bar and focus on your tough workout routine. Its features contain 20 grams of protein per bar. It comes up with 9 flavors, and it costs $2.9 per serving. In at number 3 we have MUSCLETECH Protein Cookie. MUSCLETECH provides an ultimate solution for quick refueling of protein need. Protein cookies are soft-baked for a wholesome and delicious snack with best-in-class taste and texture, and deliver no inferior wheat protein, so you can rest assured you're getting the best quality protein available. It is basically not a bar, but due to its amazing texture and taste, I have included this in the top 5 protein bars list. Its features contain 18 grams of protein per serving, it comes up with 3 different flavors, and it costs $2 per serve. In at number 2 we have Quest Nutrition Quest Bars. Quest Nutrition was created to help you pursue greatness. With one of the best nutritional profiles of any protein bar on the market. After years of development, Quest has been able to produce one of the world's first truly quality protein bars. It's real simple food. It's the perfect nutrition bar for anyone looking to get top-quality protein while dropping some carbs from their diet. They're as delicious and convenient as a candy bar while maintaining all of the nutrition of a carefully prepared meal. Its features contain 20 grams of protein per bar. It comes up with 7 flavors, and it costs $3.5 per serving. In at number 1 we have MusclePharm Combat Crunch Protein Bar. The best triple-layered baked protein bar on the market. Combat Crunch bars are high protein, with minimal active carbs and tons of fiber. Combat Crunch is like eating a soft batch cookie. It is the best tasting protein bar on the market, perfect for an on-the-go snack. Its features contain 20 grams of protein per bar. It comes up with 7 flavors, and it costs $2 per serving. If you guys ask me, I will definitely recommend you MusclePharm Combat Crunch Protein Bar because of its taste, flavors, reviews and reasonable cost. So this is my list of top 5 protein bars. If you like this, please share with others and give me your feedback on it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications on